Rudolph Steiner says, when tempted to find an imperfection in the universe, you'll make progress if you assume the flaw is more due to your temporary failure to grasp the underlying web of unity that connects all things, rather than an actual imperfection. This gave me years of thought and meditation to figure out how to apply this. When tempted to find an imperfection in the universe, and there's a lot of imperfections in the modern world part of the universe that are easy to spot, you'll make progress if you assume the flaw is more due to your temporary failure to grasp the underlying web of unity that connects all things, rather than an actual imperfection. This is such a synthesis, because if the universe is a web of unity that connects all things, then when you're troubled, when you're disheartened, when you're traumatized, when you're in a crisis, you're going to be behooved to search deeper to see how could what is happening or what just happened that might be horrific actually be connected to some greater unity. Now, one thing I love about this is it doesn't remove the onus for action and for awakening from the human being, from the individual. He's not saying forget about everything wrong. He's not saying bad things won't happen. But what he's saying is, if you look beyond those individual flaws, horrors, imperfections, you may find a way to connect it in to the things that are working in the universe, the things that are working inside yourself, rather than caving in to the wrongness of everything.